kids, so today we will be playing with
Farm
animals. So this is the big bucket of farm animals.
Yeah.
We will be building a farm and we will find out what are the different animals in the farm.
Yeah.
Okay. These are the different farm animals. So, okay, these are the fence. Let's make the fence first. This is the fence. Okay.
Let's open this.
Okay, we will make a big circle with these fences, okay?
Let's open it.
Okay, like this. Put it here.
Yes.
Yeah. Good job.
और इधर को कर.
Okay.
इधर खाना खाएंगे, इधर जाएंगे.
They will eat food.
This is fence.
Okay, so this is the fence. Okay, let's plant some trees.
Plant the trees. Yeah.
You need to join these pieces, okay? Very good. Okay.
Okay.
And the last one. Put the trees.
Put the trees.
Place the trees. Yeah. Okay. So there should be some trees in the farm
Yeah.
so that animals can get the shade. Okay. Now let's see what are the different farm animals. Start with this. What is this? You want to start with rabbit?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the bit.
So what is this?
Rabbit.
This is the rabbit. What is the color of the rabbit?
White.
White. He is resting. Okay. Resting under the tree. Okay. So which animal is this?
Dog.
Dog. And what is the sound of a dog?
Wow.
Bow bow.
This is that thing.
Okay.
This is that thing.
He is resting. Okay. What is this?
Cow.
Cow.
Moo.
Moo. Moo. And where are the baby cows? These are called calf.
And the
So
baby
these are the baby cows.
Hi. Hi.
They are friends?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy cow.
This is mommy cow.
Oh. This is that thing over the Yeah, बोला है.
The dog is saying hi. Okay.
Oh, team na.
So this is the baby cow. Baby cow is called calf.
Calf.
Calf, okay. And cow gives us milk.
Yeah.
What does the cow give?
Doo.
Doo-doo. Cow gives us milk. What are the different milk products that you eat?
Yeah. Hi.
What is this? Which animal is this?
A baby.
Pig.
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 Pee.
How does the pig do? Oink oink.
Oink.
Okay. Cow. They are playing together. Here is the pig. This is the rabbit and here is the dog. Now let's see. This is another cow.
Another cow.
What is the color of this cow?
Gray.
Gray. Okay.
My wings.
Do you like ice cream?
Yeah.
Ice cream is made of milk. Okay? What is this?
I deep on the west.
Huh?
Deep. My deep.
Sheep? You want sheep? What is this?
Deep. It could be
It
big.
gives us wool. What is this?
Horse.
Horse? And how does the horse do?
That.
Neigh, neigh.
Nay.
Okay.
It could be
Pig.
big. Pig.
This is baby pig. Baby
Oink.
pigs wants to go to the mommy pig.
Oink. Oink.
Good job. What is this?
Doggy.
Meow.
Cat.
Yeah, this is a cat.
Meow, 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 meow. Itu sana.
Okay.
Itu nabat.
What is this?
Cock.
This is a cock.
Cock.
Cuckoo.
Cock.
Cock. This is a duck.
Duck.
And duck lives in the water and on the land. So let's put the duck in the water. This is the cup of water. Let's put the duck in this. Oh yay! Duck is swimming in the water. Okay, she has taken bath. Okay. Do you take bath every day?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this? It's a peacock.
Peacock.
You want to clean the peacock?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pig.
Piggy? A baby
Pig is
piggy?
the water for the air.
Okay, so maybe this is the daddy pig, this is the mommy pig, and this is the baby pig. Can you put the pig there? So pig is saying, where is my mommy? Where is my daddy? Oh, they are here. Okay? So they live with mommy and daddy always. This. So she stays with mama and daddy wherever they go. Okay? You don't have to go here and there alone.
Yeah.
Another pig. This is
Another
the
pig.
grandpa pig. Okay. Yeah. Let's put the grandpa pig here. Okay, what is this? It's a hen.
Hen.
Cock and hen. Yeah.
That's great.
Okay. This baby sheep. Where is her mama sheep? Where is mama sheep? Ba, ba.
Dog.
Where is the other dog? Bow bow. Oh, these are the
These are
two
the
dogs.
dogs.
It's a chick.
Why was the moon
Daddy cock and mommy cock. Hen.
on?
Very good.
Flamingo.
What is this?
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Okay. Again, put flamingo in water.
Where is flamingo?
Flamingo lives in the water. Yay! Good job. Good job.
Oh.
Another duck.
Another duck.
Put the duck in water. Okay. This is a horse. Oh, here is one more horse. Let's
There's one.
place them together. They are friends. This is goat.
Goat. Where's the goat?
Meh.
Yes, it.
Okay.
Okay.
What is this?
It's one up. Horse.
Very good. Nay, nay.
Next.
Yeah. Another horse.
Another horse.
Then what is this?
Goat.
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 Goat gives
Where
us.
is goat? Where is goat?
Here is the goat. Okay. Goat also gives us milk, okay? Cheese is made out of goat's milk.
I will eat.
Meow.
Meow. Where
Where is cat? Cat,
Oh,
cat,
dear.
cat. Now, these are different farm animals.
This is one very well.
Who takes care of the farm? The farmer. And where is the farmer?
What's funny?
Shreya is a farmer.
Yeah.
Now we will give them food. They are hungry, okay? You have to give them food. Okay, we have some leaves. Can you give the cows some food? Okay, let's give the cows some food. Okay, we have some hay here. Can you give it to the horses? Give some to the horses. You can give this to the goat. Where is the goat?
Where to go? Where to go?
Okay.
Nom 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 nom.
Horse is eating the food. How it is eating?
Nom, 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 nom.
What does the rabbit eat?
Yeah,
Carrot.
carrot.
And where is the rabbit? It's here.
What?
Hmm. Okay, rabbit is eating the carrot. Yum, 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 yum. You can give some food to the sheep. Where is sheep? Yeah,
Yeah, that's all tiger.
okay, let's give some food to the sheep. Okay, and some to the pig. Pigs live in the mud. They are rolling the mud and dirt. Okay. Horse says neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh.
Yeah, that's called that. Eat that kind of.
Okay.
Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom.
So everyone has eaten their food. Okay.
Yeah, no, no.
Now they want to take a nap. They all want to take rest. Shreya, do you also take rest? Do you also take rest?
No.
Yeah. Now it's the nap time. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and have